Another 55,200 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine arrived in the island today, and the Health Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says 40,000 doses have been reserved for people due their second shot. The minister says people requiring their second dose are due around May 6.
So prepare yourselves to come out in May, because we have it and we're reserving it for you. There's a place at the table for you in storage until your day comes for you to get your second shot. That's good news.
Minister Tufton says those who take the first dose of the vaccine should not think they are fully protected and should take the second dose. He also says of the over 50,000 doses, some will be reserved for other Jamaicans, but that it will be done strictly on an appointment basis.
What it means is that if we take 40,000 out of the 55,200, we are left with 15,200, and we have approximately 11,800 doses. We should have started to administer some of that today by appointment. So 15 and 11 would be 26, and 8 and 2 would be 1,000. That's about 27,000 doses that would be available to administer under the normal first shot appointment arrangements.
More vaccines are expected in May.